I'm Danish.
I'm Brushali.
And we are still traveling.
And this time to Kedarkantha summit.
Yes.
So we are standing at the Mohan Nagar World Square Mall metro station, waiting for our bus from Delhi to Dehradun. So these are the state transport buses which didn't stop at all. Oh damn, there is a rush of people who want to get in. City land travels. we have been given kambal, sheets, and we have our rucksacks here with us. Sleep for 6 hours and then get up in Dehradun, hopefully on time. We have these glass doors as well for some privacy. Stopped on our way to Sankri. We came across these beautiful pine forests. This is our gang. We Trek The Himalayas. We've reached Sankri now. It's around 7:30 p.m. 4 degrees. We took 12 hours to cover a 6-hour journey. Aram se, we stopped at almost every point. We had like 4 meals on the way. Fun musical journey. Now we are wrapped up in 2 extra layers and ready to go and have dinner and briefing. So here in Sankri there is a shop. There are a couple of shops around. So if you forgot any hiking equipment like maybe poncho or trekking pole or anything, you can just rent it out over here. We rented the trekking pole from here itself. It costed 400 for 2 poles for the entire trip. So quite reasonable. So yeah, we'll begin our trek tomorrow. We'll be briefed today about the details. So we just came back from our dinner. We had our briefing in which we were told about how to prevent AMS, what clothing to wear tomorrow, food timings, stuff like that. A couple of interesting things that we were told is we should not bathe until the last day of the trek. So 5 days of no bathing this in Kedarkantha trek. And the food was delicious. We had sabudana kheer, amazing taste. And we had a dal makhni type of a dal, roti, mixed veg, sabzi, very nice taste. The food was nice. We are doing this trek with Trek The Himalayas. So the food is nice and all the guides and the trek leads seem to be a little strict. They are like, timing is the most important, and tomorrow morning if you're supposed to come for breakfast at 8, then you're supposed to come at 8. By 8:30 the breakfast will be over. So yeah, the trek leaders are a little strict. I'm sure they'll cozy up to us during the trek, hopefully. Good morning. It is around 7 o'clock here now. and the temperature is still 0 degrees. रात को for almost 30 to 45 minutes I was not able to sleep at all because I was wearing a down jacket inside the blankets, and it is recommended to not wear down jacket when you are sleeping. Wear something fleece or wool because down jacket also makes you warm using vacuum, and once you go inside your blankets, the reason why you stay warm is because the hot air is sort of trapped inside. So down jacket kind of resists that warmth. So almost for 30-45 minutes I was just freezing and chilling and shivering inside the blankets, and then when I changed into this sheer this fleece jacket, then I slept like a baby. So yeah, just a thing to know, don't sleep in your down jackets. Started our trek, day 1, 4 kilometers climb from Sankri to
Juda ka Talaab.
Juda ka Talaab.
How's the Josh?
Hi sir.
So Sankri is the base camp for many treks actually, not just this Kedarkantha. You have Hargaon, Juda ka Talaab ka apna ek, there's a trek that happens. You have Pulara Ridge, Pulara Pass, Bali Pass. There's like 10-20 different treks that you can go from here because it's nestled right in the mountains, so there are ranges all around and you can just walk off anywhere. Rule number 1 of trekking: every place has a chacha ka dhaba, baba ka dhaba, chachi ka dhaba, auntie ka dhaba, bunty ka dhaba. Spoilt by human love. Just a tip for anyone who's planning: always walk on the powder snow. Gives you more grip, more area for your foot to gain leverage and balance. Wherever you see powder snow, don't hesitate. And don't fear if your feet sink in a little bit. In fact, it's better.
Finally reached Juda ka Talaab.
Jadi booty ki Talaab.
Being briefed now by our trek leader. Finally reached our first camping site, which is in Juda ka Talaab. We had a delicious lunch with pulao and veg kebab, and been given our tents here. It's around 3 degrees, and just one down jacket and a fleece jacket are enough, plus one t-shirt type thing inside. It's enough for this temperature, so good place.
The assembly line is working now. Log some mast dal, rice, rotis, egg curry, sevai kheer.
Look at the luxurious breakfast that we are getting. We have French toast, bread butter jam, dalia.
And wherever the sun is shining, it's like hot. Not even warm, like not cold. I'm not saying not cold, I'm saying like hot. As in, you'll feel your skin getting warmed up. And in the shadow areas, which you can see, for example, behind me, like this place, it'll be dead cold. Like if you pour water, it'll start freezing as it starts hitting the ground. That's how cold it is here. In the night it was around -4, -5, and now it is steadily increasing as the day rises. And because of that, as you can see in the path below me also, so there is powder snow and then there is this hard ice.
We started our trek today around 9:30, and today is going to be a full uphill journey. So we have been given these spikes so that we can climb the steep slopes. Plus it is a little icy because a lot of people climb. Snacks के लिए we are being served soup, hot piping soup, and unlimited popcorn. That right there is the Kedarkantha peak, our destination. Paneer, dal, chawal, roti, and some surprise dessert is coming soon. It's 2 a.m. right now. Just woke up. Quite chilly. We're wearing 4 layers of clothes. We're wearing a normal t-shirt inside, thermal over that, fleece jacket over that, and a down jacket over it, and this cap and the neck gaiter and all this. So we have reached Maggie Point, which is kind of halfway till the summit. And now we were a group of 20. Now we might just break down into 3 batches of similar speeds. A couple of things that we learnt on the way is it is better to walk slow but continuously walk compared to walk fast, stop, because when you stop, you start freezing. It's like there is AC going on inside your pants. And it is ideal if you reach the top around 7, because even if you reach there earlier, you might not see the sunrise, so it doesn't make much sense to reach earlier and freeze on the top. Finally reached the peak of the Kedarkantha summit. The last push after the Maggie Point was super tough. It was, 60-70 degree incline, and took away all the life from all of us to reach here.
So just arrived at our lower camp, the one we are gonna settle into tonight, and this is the Hargaon Camp.
This is our final campsite, because tomorrow we will be trekking down from here to Sankri, where the trek ends. Woohoo, summit done. Second last day done. One more day to go. So we brought a little bit of the snow slide experience.
My bag is wet.
Home. शाम के snacks, samosa, chai. Finally, on the last day of our trek, we got snowfall. So it is 3:30 in the night, and it has been snowing all night. And now we are told to shift from our tent to the common dining area, because the snowfall is so much that the tent might collapse anytime. All the tents are covered. The walkways are all gone. The rescue operation. So the tent The refugee tent is now falling apart. Poles are bending out. So everybody is rushing to escape this tent to the next refugee point. All the poles and also the entire tent covering has moisture coming in.
It's one winter wonderland. Yeah, this is this morning's breakfast, aloo puri, and no need for water. You can just grab it out of the sky.
Today on our last lunch here in Sankri, we have Chinese food.
Once in a lifetime memorable type चीज़ होगा, especially इतना heavy snowfall में trekking करना.